I'm Judy Shaw for NYSE Floor Talk. Joining me today is Gary Vogel. He is CEO of Eagle Bulk Shipping. Gary, it's wonderful to have you here. Thanks for joining me today.
Thank you. It's exciting to be here, Judy.
Very exciting for you. You actually just rang the first trade bell to celebrate your transfer to the New York Stock Exchange. Congratulations on that.
Thank you.
Now tell me, why did you move your listing to the New York Stock Exchange?
Well, we decided to move because the majority of the U.S. listed peers within shipping are on the exchange, and especially the larger market cap ones. So we felt it would be beneficial, and we're also believe we'll get better spreads as well. So we're very excited to start trading here today.
Great. So now, Gary, tell me about the company and tell me how you're different from your peers.
Right, so Eagle Bulk, we're owners of dry bulk vessels, but we're different in the sense that we have all mid-sized ships. So all of our 53 ships that we own carry around 55, 60,000 tons of cargo. And while larger ships are really limited in what they carry, we carry all dry bulk commodities. So we carry things like grain and ore, fertilizer, but just yesterday I was in Pennsylvania on one of our ships carrying salt for winter roads here. So we really carry a myriad of cargoes, and our ships all have their own cranes on board, which gives us the ability to go into ports with less infrastructure where we can either load or discharge using the cranes that are on board our ships.
Okay, and how did the dry bulk market perform in 2022, including Eagle, and what's the current environment like?
Yeah, so 2022 is really an interesting year because dry bulk demand is growing. We measure demand in what we call ton miles, which is the product of not just what we move, but how far we move it. And dry bulk has grown in 20 of the last 22 years, but last year was one of the 2 years of contraction. Having said that, even through 3 quarters, Eagle had its best year ever in terms of net income, and that's just through 3 quarters. So, and that really, part of that is because the supply side, the supply of ships is really at historic lows now in terms of the order book. So even though we had muted demand, we had a good market overall. Okay.
All right, well, Gary, congratulations again on your NYSE listing. Wonderful to have you as part of the NYSE family, and thanks for joining me on Floor Talk.
Thanks so much.